Guys, real talk. When was the last time you woke up with that strong, proud morning wood you used to have in your 20s? If your answer made you sigh, don't scroll, because today I'm giving you a dead simple bedtime mix men over 50 are using to bring back those rock-solid mornings naturally. What's up, everyone? Here we talk real men's health. No fluff, no embarrassment, just straight facts that actually help. And the number one question I get every single day is, Doctor, how do I get my morning wood back without pills? Good news, the answer is way simpler than you think. By the end of this video, you'll know the 3 powerhouse powders that work overnight, so your mornings feel like they used to. First, let's clear something up. Morning wood isn't just about sex, it's your body's personal health report card. If your blood is flowing right, morning wood shows up. If your heart is pumping strong, morning wood shows up. If your hormones are balanced, yup, morning wood. So when those strong mornings disappear, it's not your manhood failing, it's your body whispering, hey man, something needs attention. But here's the good part, your body isn't broken, it's just missing support. Powder number 1. Beetroot, the MVP of blood flow. I know you're thinking, beets? Really? Yep, really. Beetroot naturally helps your blood vessels relax and open, turning a clogged street into a wide open highway. And down there, blood flow is everything. Take 1 teaspoon in warm water, tea, or a smoothie before bed. Add lemon or honey if the taste isn't your vibe at nightly, and mornings start feeling familiar again. Powder number 2. Maca, nature's drive booster. Maca grows in crazy high mountains where plants basically fight to survive, so their nutrients are strong. Men have used it for centuries to support energy, drive, stamina, performance, confidence. And here's what most guys don't know. Maca doesn't force anything. It helps your body naturally return to how it used to function. It's not a boost button, it's a quiet system upgrade. Take 1 teaspoon in warm milk or tea before bed. Honey or cinnamon? Perfect. Powder number 3. Ashwagandha, the stress killer. Listen carefully. Stress is one of the biggest morning wood killers. When your body is tense, anxious, or wired at night, it's not prioritizing intimacy, it's prioritizing survival. Ashwagandha helps calm the system, balance hormones, and improve sleep, all key for strong mornings. Take 1 teaspoon before bed. Simple. Why this mix works. Beetroot, better circulation. Maca, more desire and stamina. Ashwagandha, less stress and better sleep. Alone, they help. Together, they're a game changer. The bedtime formula, 30 minutes before bed. 1 tsp beetroot powder, 1 tsp maca powder, 1 tsp ashwagandha powder. Mix in warm milk or tea. Add honey or cinnamon if you like. Get 7-8 hours of sleep. Wake up and pay attention. Pills and awkward doctor visits and trying to act 25 again. Just simple fuel your body responds to. Men, listen. Life after 50 doesn't mean the fire goes out. It just means the body needs better fuel. Your best mornings aren't behind you. They're waiting for you to support your system the right way. Do this mix consistently. Hydrate. Move a little. Don't overthink it. Simple habits create powerful results. If this helped you, hit like so more men can see it. Subscribe for real men's health tips that actually work. And drop a comment. Doc, I want stronger mornings. I read every one. Stay strong. Stay smart. And I'll see you in the next one. Your support helps this channel grow. Thank you.